Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be working on another gift, and this time we're going to be upscaling another one of Dollar Tree's containers. So this is one of their cosmetic bags, and this is a wall decal. Let's get started. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is figure out which one I want to put on here. And I am looking at it, and I think they all look good. They all look good. I think I want this one, so let me see what I can do here. Gotta be careful when you take these off. Okay? They're delicate. I have no nails. None. Alright. And I'm going to flatten out this part here. Get up so you can see what I'm doing here. Come around. Let's see if you can see. Okay. I'm just going to lay this down right. I usually do from the middle, but it's a bow. I'm trying to see where it is straight. But it's a sticker, so you can easily pick it up and put it back down. See that? Very pretty. All right. So the next thing we need to do with this is stuff it. And I don't have any boxes right now that will fit in here, so we're going to use some of this paper. Okay. Like this. Ooh. And we need some tissue paper. And I think I want to lift that a little bit more. Hold on 1 second. Okay. I found a little bit of shrink wrap that busted. All right. And I can't do anything with it. I tried. It's not a salvageable piece, so we can use it like this. Yes. Okay. Can use it like this. Cover this all the way around. We have quite a bit going in here in this little tiny thing. And you're not going to see this paper at all. So this is just because, okay? It really is just because. So the first thing I'm going to do is give it a backer. We have this hustle sign, okay? And I'm going to stick that right in the back, right here. Just like that. Okay? And then I am going to place we have a teddy bear. I'm gonna put the teddy bear right here. Okay. And then we have some citrus and sunrise lotion and body wash. So we're going to put that over here like this. And we want to glue dot. We'll start it now. There. There. Just to keep them from rolling around, right? And we're going to take this Today I Pray. We're going to put that right here. Okay. And I know we cannot see that. You can see the pop of color. And that's what I want. I want to see that gold so we can see the gold with this gold. Okay. I'm going to put a blue dot just to keep it from moving at all. Alright. And then I have a bandana. I have already folded this up and I did it like that. Okay. Just folded it like this and over like that. And now I'm going to stick this right here in the front. I'll fix it. Okay, and then we have a loofah. We're going to put that right here. And I was trying to put more in, guys. I really was. I really was. I have some of my luxury bath salts. Okay. And I'm going to put that right here. Just like that. Actually, I can't see the sign. I'm not going to do that. Do that right there. So we can put it back here. Actually, like that better. Now I know I just said that we were not going to need any shred. Let's see here. Because it didn't look like it. It's a lot of things. La. My daughter is coming in right now, so you might hear her speak. Okay. So, all right, we took that tag off, and the last thing I'm gonna do is add I like the pops of color. Okay, I like the pops of color. Okay. Come around this way so I can see that better. Okay, this is it. So I want to know what you think. Tell me what you think about the end product. Did I do too much? Should I do something extra? Probably not. What do you think? You like it? I want to hear in the comments, okay? Please like, comment, and subscribe, and watch my other videos. I appreciate your support so much. Until next time. Bye.